In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive online in a few simple steps. Whether you're new to OneDrive or just need a refresher on how to access your files online, you're in the right place. OneDrive, as many of you might know, is Microsoft's cloud service that allows you to store your files securely and access them from any device, anywhere. It's a fantastic tool for both personal and professional use, offering a seamless way to store, share, and collaborate on documents and media. First things first, you're going to want to ensure that you have the OneDrive app installed on your desktop or laptop. This app is your gateway to accessing your files both online and offline. It's a straightforward process to download and install it from Microsoft's website if you haven't done so already. Once installed, the app usually resides in your system tray for easy access. Now, with the OneDrive app open on your computer, you're going to look for an option that says View Online. This option is your direct line to the web version of OneDrive, which allows you to access all your stored files without the need of syncing them to your device first. This is especially handy when you're on a computer with limited storage, or when you're using a public or shared device and don't want to leave any files behind. Clicking View Online will do exactly as it suggests. You will be redirected from the app to your default web browser, landing directly on the OneDrive dashboard. This web interface is incredibly user-friendly, offering a familiar file and folder structure that makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Here you can see all your files and folders exactly as you've organized them in the app. While on the dashboard, you'll have a plethora of options at your fingertips. You can create new files or folders, upload content, and share files with others. The sharing feature is particularly useful for collaborative projects, as you can grant access to individuals to view or edit files directly from OneDrive. It's important to note that while using OneDrive online, all changes you make are automatically saved and synced across all your devices where you have OneDrive set up. This means you can start a document on your laptop at home, make edits on your phone while on the move, and finalize it on a desktop at work, all without having to manually transfer files between devices. Furthermore, for those concerned about security, Microsoft ensures that your files are protected with robust encryption both in transit and at rest on their servers. Nevertheless, always practice safe sharing habits, especially with sensitive documents. To sum up, viewing your OneDrive online is as simple as opening the app on your desktop, clicking on View Online, and being redirected to the OneDrive dashboard on your web browser. You now have the freedom to access, manage, and share your files from anywhere without needing to sync them to every device you use. This functionality is particularly helpful for those who are always on the go or anyone looking to save space on their devices. Remember, staying organized in OneDrive is key to finding your files quickly. Take advantage of folders and naming conventions, and don't forget to explore all the features OneDrive Online offers, like file sharing, online editing, and more. By making the most of OneDrive, you'll ensure that your files are always right where you need them, accessible from any device at any time. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, OneDrive Online simplifies how you manage and access your digital life. That's all for today's tutorial on how to view OneDrive online. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools and services.